The review that changed the shop in a busy street full of shops and voices. There was a small sweet shop named Saba's Sweets. Saba had opened the shop with love and hard work. Her sweets were delicious, but she did not pay much attention to online reviews or how to talk to customers in English. This is the story of how one review changed everything. Customer 1. Good morning. 2 plates of jalebi, please. Saba. Good morning. Coming right up. Saba smiled and packed the jalebi. Most customers were happy, but one morning, a new customer, Imran, came with high expectations. Imran, hi. I read a review about your shop online. The photos looked amazing. I'll take 1 plate of jalebi and 1 plate of gulab jamun. Saba. Thank you, sir. I will prepare them fresh. Imran waited at a table. After a few minutes, he tasted the sweets and frowned. Imran, excuse me, these jalebis are a bit cold and the gulab jamun is hard. I expected them to be hot and soft. Saba surprised. I am so sorry, sir. I will make fresh ones right away. Imran left the shop feeling disappointed. He later posted a short review on a popular food app in English. Imran's review on screen. Nice looking shop, but my sweets were cold and hard. Expected better. Hope they improve. The review reached many people. At first, Saba felt angry and embarrassed. She did not understand all the words in the review and did not know how to reply. Saba to her friend. Someone wrote a review. They said the sweets were cold. What should I do? Friend. You should reply politely and fix the problem. People read replies. It shows you care. Saba decided to learn how to respond in English. She asked her nephew, Arif, for help. Arif, when a customer complains, say, "We are sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for your feedback. We will make it right." Saba repeating, "We are sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for your feedback. We will make it right." Saba wrote a reply under Imran's review. Saba's reply on screen. "We are sorry for the inconvenience, Imran. Thank you for your feedback. Please visit us again. The next plate is on us. We will ensure freshness and quality." Imran saw the reply and decided to give Saba another chance. The next day he returned. "Imran, hello. I saw your reply. Thank you for offering a new plate. I'll try again." Saba, welcome back. Please have a seat. We will prepare fresh jalebi and warm gulab jamun for you. This time, Imran tasted the sweets and smiled. Imran, much better. These are warm and soft. Thank you. Saba, I'm glad you like them. Thank you for giving us another chance. Saba learned that words matter. She started using polite English phrases with customers, and on the food app, she trained her staff to serve warm sweets and to say simple sentences in English. Saba to staff. When a customer asks a question, say, "How can I help you? Would you like it warm? Thank you for your feedback." Staff. Okay, ma'am, we will practice. Customers notice the change. New reviews mention friendly replies and fresh sweets. New review on screen, great service and warm sweets. The owner replied to complaints quickly. Very professional. Over time, Saba Shop became known not only for taste, but also for care. People recommended the shop to friends, and even customers from other towns came to try the sweets. Customer to your response on the app impressed me. It shows you care about customers. Saba, thank you. We believe in respect and quality. Saba's lesson was clear. Listening to feedback, responding politely, and improving your product builds trust. English phrases helped her connect with more customers and manage her online reputation. One evening, the shop was full. Saba looked around and smiled. She had learned to say a few simple English sentences that made a big difference. Saba, thank you, everyone. Please enjoy. Customer crowd. Thank you. Saba realized that a single honest reply and real change can turn a problem into an opportunity. The story shows that reputation is important and communication is powerful. A polite reply and real action can win back trust for small businesses. Every word and every plate matters. English lesson review. Now, repeat these useful sentences from the story. Practice them aloud. We are sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for your feedback. Please visit us again. The next plate is on us. How can I help you? Would you like it warm? We will ensure freshness and quality. Thank you for giving us another chance. We believe in respect and quality. Use these sentences in shops, restaurants, or while replying to messages. Polite, clear English helps solve problems and build trust. This was the review that changed the shop. Keep practicing these phrases and remember, a kind reply and honest action make a big difference. Goodbye and keep learning.